Hello, and welcome to this video about combining ChatGPT and AI image generators. In this video, we will be showing you how to write awesome and effective prompts for AI image generators using ChatGPT. You will learn how to write detailed prompts to get the best results and create amazing images with DALL, Midjourney, DiffusionBee, or any other AI image generator. Here are some tips to create good prompts to generate effective pictures using an AI-powered image generation system. Be specific. Provide a clear and detailed description of what you want the image to contain. The more specific the description, the more likely the model is to generate an image that matches your expectations. Use descriptive language. Use descriptive adjectives and nouns to help the model understand the details of what you want in the image. Avoid ambiguity. Avoid using vague or ambiguous terms that could be interpreted in multiple ways. For example, instead of a big building, specify a skyscraper with at least 50 floors. Consider the model's limitations. Keep in mind that the model has limitations, and it may not always be able to generate exactly what you want. Be open to unexpected results, and be willing to iterate and refine your prompts until you get the results you want. Experiment. Try different combinations of words and descriptive terms to see what works best for you. Don't be afraid to get creative and think outside the box. By following these tips, you can create effective prompts that result in high-quality images generated by AI. So, how to write awesome detailed prompts for Midjourney, DALL and DiffusionBee or any AI image generator using ChatGPT? First, write whatever you like to create in the ChatGPT. It can also be very minimalistic, like 1 or 2 words. For example, I choose a candy castle. Then, I write it in this exact format. When writing to ChatGPT, remember that DALL, for example, can only support 76 words, so if you are using DALL, make sure to let ChatGPT know that the maximum is 76 words. Also remember that ChatGPT is also limited until 2021, so it doesn't really know what is Midjourney. Lucky for us, the DALL is developed by OpenAI, so it knows exactly which prompt you're referring to. From my own experience, when writing to Midjourney a detailed prompt, the results are more accurate and the designs are not mixed up. You can also tell him to describe the background and be more specific. When you finished, simply copy the response from ChatGPT if you like it and paste it to Midjourney or DALL. If not, just let ChatGPT know that you didn't like the results and he will give you something else. You can see that all the details described in the prompt are in the pictures. Now you can choose the image you like and have fun. That's it for this video on combining ChatGPT and Midjourney AI. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next video. If you liked this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below.